back to my channel. Today's video is probably going to be one of the most exciting videos that I have ever uploaded onto my channel. I am going to give you a tour through my new living room and my new balcony. So kind of like half of my house, I'd say, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks so surreal because the team of West Wing has been working for the last couple of months on decorating and kind of like putting together the entire living area. It looks just so surreal. I cannot believe like this is my house. I'm standing, like every time I walk into my house I'm like, oh my god, is this my house? Like I love it so much. It's just the most beautiful house. I love everything that they've put together, and it just makes me so excited just to finally share it with you guys, because it's a project that we've been working on for so long. As most of you guys will know, West Wing is a website that's like available in the Netherlands, in Germany, in Italy, like a few countries, and they basically have like all kind of interior stuff and like furniture, posters, like lamps, whatever you want. When we first moved into the house, it was literally nothing on the walls, nothing on the floor, no flooring whatsoever. So we got together with the team of West Wing and they put together like a plan for us, and we gave some input, like these are the things that I like, these are the things that I don't like, and we started literally from scratch because there was nothing in this entire area, or like the living area. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything. Be prepared because it looks kind of good, I'm not gonna lie. So I guess that was my entire living room and my balcony, and my eating sort of area. Baby! Hey! Alright guys, that was the entire living area, dining area, and the balcony. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If there is something that you liked, make sure to check down below, because I have literally linked everything. Also, our campaign is now online, so you can shop everything that I've shown in this video. So yeah, I really hope you guys like kind of like the velvety feel, the gold, the plants. It's very feminine and very glam, but at the same time it's not like a total girl's house, because that's what we didn't want for Jalil as well. So yeah, and it's baby proof, so that's what I like the most. Right, baby? Do you think it's baby proof? Yeah. So it's totally baby proof. So far Maya has not been doing anything crazy, and obviously we watch her really well. Thank you. Also, you get a 40 euro discount if you buy something. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much to the entire team of West Wing. We are so grateful. The house is so beautiful. Right, Maya? 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 Yeah. Maya loves all her little spots to play with. We are just so grateful and so in love with the house. So yeah, I want to really thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!